So I had someone comment on one of my videos to look into the subsidiaries of TRG and I guess what the company does in general. So the resource group, from the information, I always like to provide the evidence for the information that I'm providing as well. But the company is owned by TRG International, and it's. Let's go ahead and open this Wikipedia. This will give us a little bit of information as well. You can also open this up yourself as well. But the company is owned by TRG International, and about 86% of the revenue is earned from IBEX. Now, IBEX is a company which is traded on Nasdaq. So these companies, TRG and IBEX, are intertwined. The resource group it provides call center. Um, what is it? Provides call center facilities in Indiana. But there was in 2018 they did lay off around 105 employees. Now, uh, I guess in that same year, according to Wikipedia, they filed for an IPO and listing on the Nasdaq. And then in 2020, the Securities and Exchange Commission requested that Pakistan Stock raise an inquiry to investigate alleged insider trading. Now, IBEX, so TRG was founded. Now, I'm talking about TRG, which is trading on the Pakistan Stock Exchange, was founded around in 2002. Headquarters are in Karachi. Key people, Hasnain Aslam. You can probably read up about these guys separately in your own time. Revenue is upwards of $1 billion. Total assets of around $2 billion. So with IBEX, what happened during Corona, according to the information that I have, is that a lot of companies required call center jobs, and TRG Pakistan was able to provide those call center facilities for a lot of companies in the United States, because I guess they already had that background in that industry, so they benefited tremendously from this coronavirus, and they continue to benefit from it. So I think a lot of their clients are in the US. So right now the company has more than 20,000 employees in 26 sites. So in general, TRG itself is a huge company. I guess it's operating in many in different countries as well. Let's see if we can figure out. Let's go ahead and open up the website and see what information they provide. So yeah, their portfolio is pretty large. It's a consolidation of many companies, which is very interesting. Majority of their work, as you can sort of see with even their names, like Sigma Phone, Virtual World, Exact Telesolutions, Bryant, Telespectrum, Central Voice. So they are strictly, I would say, a provider of, I guess, call centers, and they operate with different names. So it's a very, very large company, and in Pakistan they operate under TRG, but their portfolio exists of a lot of call centers. I think it would take a lot of time to go through all of these, but let's just look at BPO3. So BPO3 is medical insurance, medical advantage for consumers throughout the United States. We manage it. So it's just a very large company, holding company. So they, according to their website, they typically invest in one or two companies a year as a holding company. We have no fixed time horizon to our investments. So they invest in individual companies, and then I guess whenever they decide to pull out, they can pull out. So that would be not a very good sign for trading TRG, because we never know what these individuals um, are thinking, or when they decide, this is the time that we want to pull our money out, then where does that leave the TRG stock? So that is something very interesting. This was a good comment from this individual. It does require a deep analysis, because this company is a very vast company. As the name says, it's a resource group. But they focus on business process and outsourcing that business process um, to other companies where it's cheaper to, I guess, provide that service, like call centers. Um, yeah, this is. We have completed acquisition with past decade. Each one of the concluded promptly. Many investments are successful investments taking place over a business plan sketched on a napkin. Our investments are driven primarily based on we can help unlock hidden operational value within assets. It's very interesting. Let's look at their leadership. Shuja Keen, Managing Director, 2002. She was a founder of Hot Decor, an internet platform for high-end furniture and furnishing, funded by institutional venture partner Geo Capital, Art Alliance. Earlier, she had Morgan Stanley. So, very, very smart individual. TRG, I think majority of the team is Pakistani, but they've all studied from outside, according to the information. So again, yeah, this Hasnan Aslam study from Harvard. So very, very smart people are sitting at very good positions of this company. Mark Ailing, I guess he's from Exeter University, honors from United Kingdom. A little bit of a mixed group, I guess, but this could be another company to look at as well. Align Technology, which is trading on the Nasdaq under ALGN, a multi-billion-dollar company which is led by CEO and chairman. So very, very smart people sitting in this company. If we look back at their sort of portfolio, they are very spread out. And they deploy capital very wisely, and they've done so. It's been one of the most successful stocks on the Pakistani stock exchange. It's trading at around 10 rupees when the stock market crashed during Corona, and we've seen a high of 180 rupees. Since then, it's been consolidated around that 160 and 180 rupees. Let's go ahead and see who's investor login. So this would strictly be for them. US based company trading in Pakistan. So their main engagement has been offshore call centers in South Asia as early as 1998. So I guess that's their prime business that they continue to invest in, which has been very, very beneficial for the company, as we can all see. So some very good information over there. I guess this will require a very in-depth video. If you do require that, go ahead and leave that in the comment section. Because there's so many companies involved under this TRG holding that we would have to look at and so many smart individuals sitting in very good positions of this company. So that was a very, very nice comment. I think his name was Hassan Abbasi, I'm not sure. But thanks for that comment. And this help. I guess this will help out individuals who want to invest in TRG as well. Yeah, if you want a more in-depth video, because I will be looking at TRG, or I have been looking at TRG pretty closely. I know it trades also under IBEX on the Nasdaq as well. There's some affiliation with IBEX, which trades on the Nasdaq as well. So we might have to do a company analysis on TRG and see what more information we can find on this. But that's it for now. Again, just leave any ticker symbols you would like me to analyze in the comment sections. I'll try to get those videos out as soon as possible. Like and subscribe if you found this information useful. And obviously, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.